how to fill blank cells using the value from above, below, left or right in Microsoft Excel. Hello everyone, welcome to Excel 10 tutorial and Happy New Year. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you an excellent technique. Using that technique, you will be able to fill blank cells using the value from above, below, left or right. Okay, let's get started. Here we have a worksheet and we have year, we have quarter and we have months and we have a few blank cells. And now I want to fill all these cells with the above cell year 2023 and I'm going to fill this quarter. Okay, so in this example we are going to show you how you can fill blank cells using the value from above cell. You can use the same technique for left, right or below cells. Okay, so first I'm going to select the range starting from the first blank cell and until the end of our data range. Then I'm going to click on the home tab and from the find and select drop down I'm going to select go to special, or you can press F5 on your keyboard and click on special. This will take you the same option, go to special pop-up, and then select blank and click OK. All the blank cell has been selected and you can see in the name box we have B3 cell which is now active cell. Okay, so without clicking anywhere else I'm going to click on the formula bar and then I'm going to write a formula which is equal to B2. Now why B2? Why I haven't written A2? Because our active cell was B3, that's why I have written B2 which is just above our active cell. Okay, and now once I have written that I'm going to press Ctrl Enter and this will autofill all the cell with the above cell formula. Now I can click anywhere in my workbook and you can see all the blank cell has been filled with the above cell value. Now if I click on cell A3, you can see we have our formula which is A2. Okay, now let's click on cell B10. Our formula is B9. Okay, so the trick is you have to know which one is your active cell. We had our active cell B3, that's why I have written in the formula cell B2. Okay, now we have filled all the empty cell with value from the above cell. There is still a problem. We have converted this normal cell value with formula that we need to change, otherwise it will not work properly. Okay, so if you delete this cell, you can see this will happen. So that's why we need to change it to value. So to change this formula to value, I'm going to select the entire range, right click, copy it, and there are two options, either right click and here we have value with 1 2 3. That means we are going to paste as values, or you can click on paste special and then select values and click OK. It will do the same trick. If I click on any cell, you can see these cells are not using any formula, they are hard-coded value and we just copied the value from above cell and fill all the blank cells we had. This is what I wanted to show you. Thank you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. If you can, support the channel through Patreon and don't forget to subscribe, and Happy New Year.